In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region on Steam Desktop. If you've recently moved to a new country and want your Steam store to match that location, the process is fairly simple. But there's one important requirement to keep in mind. Steam only updates your store region when you make a purchase using a payment method from your new country. Also, this region change can only be done once every 3 months, so you'll want to make sure everything is correct before you confirm it. To begin, open your Steam desktop client and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to the page where you can manage your store and billing information. On this screen, find the section labeled Store and Purchase History. This is where Steam keeps your regional store settings. Next, click Update Store Country. Steam will then give you the option to choose a new country from a drop-down list. Select the country you want to switch to, making sure it matches the country where your current payment method is actually based. After that, add a game to your cart and proceed to checkout. To complete the region change, you'll need to finish this purchase using a local payment method or a credit card issued in your new country. This step is what confirms the update, so if the payment method doesn't match the selected region, the change may not go through. Once the transaction is completed successfully, your Steam Store region should update automatically. As a final tip, double-check your selected country before purchasing, since you won't be able to change it again for another 3 months.